Welcome to this section of this course. Today I will be speaking about complex number. So initially, for this complex number, let's talk about what is iota and its power. What is iota? So remember, if I ask you to find square root of 4. Now square root of 4 is what? Plus minus 2. Similarly, square root of 9 is what? Plus minus 3. Now if I ask you to find what is square root of minus 9. Now this is a problem over here because minus is over here. Okay? In this scenario, we introduce one concept called iota. What is iota? Iota stands for I. I is what? Square root of minus 1. Okay. Now if you want to find this square root, then what you used to do is minus 9 is same as minus 1 into 9. This is same as what? This is same as minus 1, square root of minus 1 into square root of minus 9. This is same as what? I. And then square root of 9 is what? Plus minus 3. So this is the answer we have. Now here, if I square on both sides, what is I square? If I square on both sides squaring, this equals to square root and square gets cancelled. So we have minus 1. Then I cube is what? I cube means what? If I multiply I on these both sides, therefore minus 1 into I. What I am doing is I am multiplying I multiplying I on both sides. I into I square become I cube. Then I into minus 1 become minus I. This is what? Minus I. And what about I4? Now multiply I on both sides. Now it become I4 on the left hand side. Over here what I will get? Minus I into I means what? I square. This is what? Minus I square is what? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1. What about I5? Is same as, if I multiply I on both sides, here on the left hand side I have I5, here I will get I. Similarly, you can find as many as values of I. Okay. But we have some property, or you can say just not. I raised to multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 is equals to 1 we have. If you want to find I raised to 8 is same as I raised to 4 into 2. Here 4 into 2 is 8. So since I raised to 4 is what? 1. So 1 raised to 2 is what? 1. Similarly, if I want to find I raised to 100. Okay. This is what? I raised to 4 into 25. Means I raised to 4 is what? 1. 1 raised to 25 equals to what? 1. Therefore, I into multiple of 4. Multiple of any multiple of 4 is what? Equals to 1. This is note number 1. And note number 2. Next is sum of 4 consecutive power of I is equals to, therefore if I add these 4 here minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, minus I plus I gets cancelled, therefore the sum of all powers of I become a 0. Okay. So similarly you can find, for example, I raised to 2017 plus I raised to 2016 plus I raised to 2015 plus I raised to 2014. What this should be what? Equals to 0. Okay. These are all sum of 4 consecutive powers of iota. Here 16, here 17, 16, 15, 14.